This is a video on long division and checking your answer using multiplication. Get the first problem. Okay, let's say you have a problem like this, and I'm going to do this using the traditional method. The first step is to divide. How many 4s are in 6? 1. Check. Then I'm going to multiply. I always put a little multiplication sign in this corner with an equal sign here, just to remember that multiplication is always on the outside of the box. So then I do 1 times 4 equals 4, check. Now I'm going to subtract. So 6 take away 4 is 2, check. Then I'm going to extend this line here, and I'm going to bring down the 7. And when the arrowhead hits this line here, it releases the 7 and drops it here. And now my new number, which the arrow points to, is 27. So now I'm going to repeat. How many 4s are in 27? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. That's too many, so it's 6. So I put the 6 here, check. Now I'm going to multiply. 6 times 4 is 24, check. Now I'm going to subtract, and I get 27 minus 24 is 3, check. Now I'm going to bring down, so I'm going to extend this line here and bring the 5 all the way down until it hits the last line. When it hits the last line, the arrowhead is going to drop the 5 down. And now our new number, or our new dividend, is 35. So now, so I'm going to divide. How many 4s are in 35? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. That's too many, so it's 8. Check. Now 8 times 4 is 32. Check. Now I'm going to subtract. 35 minus 32 is 3. Check. Now I'm going to bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down. So this R now stands for remainder, and I'm going to write remainder 3. Now the question, or the new thing that we're going to do today, is to check our work. So we're going to do a check. Now, when we check our work, we're going to do the opposite operation, which is multiply. So what I like to see is, I have it written here. It's going to be 4 times 168. And this R, the remainder, is just a plus, meaning, so we're going to times 4 times 168, and then we're going to add the remainder. So the first thing I do is write 168. Then I times it by 4. So I put a dot and I say 4 times 8 is 32. The 2 goes down, the 3 goes up. Then 4 times 6 is 24, 25, 26, 27. The 7 goes down, the 2 goes up. And then 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6. So that I drop it. Now the R, I'm going to add, so this is the remainder. I'm going to add 3. Remember, that's your remainder. You always add the remainder. Whoops, there we go. So now I'm going to add these up. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then I got 7 and 6. And this is the same answer as our dividend here. So this is the dividend. So if you get the dividend back when you do that, so you have the divisor, you multiply the divisor and the quotient, and then you add the remainder, and then you should get what's in the box. So what's in the box, the number in the box was 675, and I got 675. So I know I've got the right answer, so I put a check. Hope that helps.